In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw funds from your Binance account directly to your bank account. This process involves checking your fiat balance, initiating the withdrawal, and verifying the deposit once it's completed. Begin by navigating to the Binance website and signing into your account. After logging in, locate the Wallets option on the main menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down, select Fiat Wallet. This will take you to a screen where you can view your available fiat balance. Make sure you have sufficient funds for withdrawal, and if necessary, convert any cryptocurrency into fiat currency before proceeding. Once you've verified your balance, ensure that your bank account is linked to your Binance account. You should also check the withdrawal limits associated with your account. This information is crucial for ensuring that your withdrawal can be processed without any issues. After confirming these details, you are prepared to initiate the withdrawal. Next, select the withdraw option from your Fiat wallet. You will be presented with different withdrawal methods. Choose the bank transfer option to proceed. Carefully enter the amount you wish to withdraw. It is important to review any associated fees and the expected processing time for the transaction. Confirm that your bank details are accurate to avoid any complications during the transfer. After reviewing all the information, submit your withdrawal request securely. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your request has been received. At this point, you can track the status of your withdrawal in the transaction history section of your account. It is important to wait for a confirmation from Binance regarding the status of your withdrawal. Once the funds are processed, check your bank account balance to confirm that the deposit has been received. Save the transaction details for your records. If there is any delay in receiving your funds, avoid retrying the withdrawal too soon. Instead, contact Binance support for assistance. This will ensure that you receive the help needed to resolve any issues. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.